With rapid urban development, waste management has become a major challenge. Among them, slope stability at fly ash landfill sites is critical to environmental safety. Any slope failure may lead to leakage, pollution, and serious safety risks. In Chizhou, Anhui Province, Zhichuan Technology's wireless tilt sensor, the ZCT330XS1WPNXYKC1B, is used for real-time monitoring of landfill slopes. The sensor accurately measures slope tilt angles with 0.5-degree accuracy. Installation is simple, requiring no complex wiring, just mount it onto the support bracket. Powered by IoT technology, the system enables real-time monitoring and remote data transmission, helping detect small slope changes early and reduce potential risks. The device operates continuously, 24 hours a day, in all weather conditions, providing reliable protection for slope safety. The application of Zhichuan wireless sensors at the Chizhou landfill site provides strong support for safety monitoring and early warning. Through technology, we work together to protect the environment and build a safer future.